Hello, fellow YouTubers. We're starting up a game of free-for-all. It's going to be on Rush. We're doing a shotgun battle. Me and Sugar Balls.
Let's do it in that playground area.
No, let's do it anywhere. We got the map. Yeah, guys.
Fun. That's some fun place to quickscope.
Yeah,
Remember that? That was crazy.
Yeah, that was a crazy one. Yep, only shotguns allowed. Fire Crouch is on top. Sugar Balls is on bottom. Let me get my seat really fast.
Do this, fool. Oh yeah, that looks bad.
Okay, let's roll. Let's do this.
And don't show stare.
What? I pulled the trigger first. I swear I pulled the trigger first.
Oh, that's how we. Let's do this. That's all.
Yeah! He's a winner!
Nice time for you. Oh, that's a winner. No!
What?
I'm beast with shotguns. You're a sniper, man. You're a sniper guy.
Yeah, y'all gotta watch that quick scoping with the bros, dude. Y'all gotta watch that final ending kill cam. I did a I jumped up in the air, did a 360, and knifed him in the throat. Like, it was perfect.
Hello. Ah, I pulled the. Like this.
He's a winner.
It's remedy time, motherfucker.
Okay,
wait, scope. Scope. Dang, that is fast.
I didn't even see you.
I see people rolling. They changing.
Oh, patrolling, trying to catch me out the dirty. I saw me there.
What the? Oh crap!
I saw me there. Okay, final ending kill cam is gonna be a jump 369.
No, not again. Screw you. Let's see how it is.
Oh,
gosh,
you scared the crap out of me. I just like seen you fly around the corner. Oh! Did y'all see that? Watch it, watch it. How's up? Boom! Trying to catch me dirty. You didn't see me, friend.
Gosh, dude, that's not right. I'm pulling the trigger.
I got you. I'm coming for you. I have an aim on your head.
I don't know. Dude, I'm serious. I'm pulling the goddamn trigger.
He's a leader.
I ain't funny. I'm pulling the damn trigger. I got you. That's a winner.
Oh, you had a better shot at me anyways. I was trying to shoot you in the head.
I shot yours in the head. Where's my swing? Oh.
Dude, that thing does not reach that long.
Yes, it did.
No, there's no way.
I snapped you over there.
There's no way.
That's a wiener.
Well, you're screen peeking. We all know that.
I ain't. I swear.
I just seen your eyes, dude. Hello. See?
I'm not looking. I'm looking at mine.
You looked at mine. See? You already know where I'm moving.
I swear. Oh.
Ah. Again! Watch it, watch it.
You did not.
Oh!
No, that was.
I did a 360
No,
knife.
you didn't. You went. Duh.
No, I went like this. I went.
No.
Yeah. You seen that again. Again. I'm like a pro at that. See, you looked on my screen.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did, because you wouldn't have just moved over.
Well, I did. That's a wiener. Oh, shit. You son of a bitch. That's not right, you spawn killer.
You spawned there, didn't you?
Oh!
Oh!
That's not right.
That was perfectly right.
Son of a bitch.
I know how to play, friend.
Screen cheat?
Oh, totally.
Yeah. Dude, okay, we get it. Quit using the shock charge.
I just threw a shock charge. What's wrong with throwing a shock charge?
Every little thing is wrong with it.
I don't even know where I'm at, but I don't care. I'm just gonna camp right here.
I'm gonna camp right here. What the? Oh, I see you, wiener.
Ah!
Watch that, watch that. We were just like added dun 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 dun. I was like, screw this. Dude, I think I found a glitch almost. Like, cause I can't jump on this. So I jump across. Oh! What? Oh! Ah!
They see me rolling the hay. Oh, you scared the crap out of me. Oh my gosh. Stop trying to do stupid glitches and freaking play.
I saw wiener. Smoke weed every
Oh,
day.
I was just about to pull the trigger too.
I was like, smoke weed every day.
You shot me in the foot. Now who does that?
Boy, did he go up in here?
Oh, oh.
Oh, watch that stupid. Oh! Whales dance.
Chunky monkey.
Funky monkey, chunky monkey, drunk monkey, fun monkey. That's it. It's Remington time, motherfucker.
Okay.
Cute.
It's a wiener.
Oh, that was right beside you, gotta admit. I told you. Oh,
Oh, that should have killed you.
no.
Yeah.
It's not us. This is yours. This is yours.
Dude! I shot it.
I got you. This is me rolling. They chasing. Let's troll. Uh-oh. Oh! I got you.
Oh. You shot my shock charge out the air, dude.
I saw wiener. Shit.
Dude, no, you can't camp. That's not right.
Dude, you're winning by 6 anyway, so who cares?
I care. That's not fair. I can't get no shot on you without you killing me. Unless I do this. Good shot. Hey, Wiener. Teabag. Dude, there's no way.
What?
There's no way that gun reaches that far, dude.
I got a long barrel.
I do too, and I can't even reach that far.
I'll say, I'll let you snipe me all the way from there. I bet I can get you. See? It does go that far.
That's crazy, dude.
Oh, blame chair. They made that gun so good. I's a wiener. You're a wiener. I'm a wiener. Oh, like a
Oh
bus.
my gosh, dude.
I
This
saw
is
me.
gonna piss me off.
Dude, you're still winning.
I don't care.
Still by 6.
You're a freaking camper.
Uh-oh. Not a squash.
I'm coming to get you now.
Wait, what? No! I see you. Uh-oh. You little wiener. See, I don't know why you're so mad. See, you get so mad during these games.
I do.
You get too mad. You're still winning anyway, so what the freak doesn't matter? Quit camping!
Okay, I won't camp. I'm not like that.
Quit camping, mister! I'm sorry.
What the heck?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I saw you. Oh, oh gosh. Oh, man.
You remember final ending kill cam, don't you?
Yes, you're 50. There's no way you was gonna kill me, friend.
Oh!
What the fuck?
Oh!
Son of a...
Did y'all see that?
Nope.
Boom! Right in the face.
Are we allowed to use score streaks?
No.
What the? Oh gosh! Ow! That's a wiener!
Whatever, you sing, man. You know you did.
Whatever.
And you screen peeker.
I did not.
Yes, you did.
Whatever. That's a wiener. Oh!
See?
I'm not screen peeking.
You were just like, oh!
You, oh yeah, because I expect to find you in a slightest little crack, just aiming at my little head.
Well, you obviously did. 27. It's about to become the 360 trick shot. You ready for it? You're running. You're like, no.
I'm not even running. This is running. I should get shoes wherever these are. Where's these shoes, man? What these shoes is?
28. You ready for this?
Are you?
You ready for this trick shot? Wait, no. Can't do a trick shot right now. Sorry. Now
Well,
it's time for the trick shot. You ready for it? You ready for this trick shot?
I don't
Everyone's been waiting for it.
think so. Okay, we get it. No one's waiting for it. But okay. You better make sure it's a trick shot too.
Oh, it's so close.
I'm not about to get the kill cam.
I try to like jump up a knife and shoot.
I's a wiener. I'll say, I'm not about to die today. Oh, I see your little head. I'm
Oh,
gonna make it up and come back.
dude,
I'm gonna get the kill
you're,
cam.
you're freaking camping. That's not getting the kill cam. That's a freaking pussy. Oh, I can't let him get me. I'm so scared.
See, you get so mad in these games, dude.
Well, because you're camping. We all know you're scared. I mean, that's why you do it. That's it.
No,
Oh, you're gonna piss me off.
What?
You won't stop camping. I'm about to punch a hole through this TV.
I was gonna let you get it, but okay.
I don't even care no more. Still wasn't a good final ending kill cam.
My butt. You show me it.
Our other one was a really good kill cam.
At least you got a jump 360.
That jump 360 knife was beast though.
Oh, see, now you're all happy because you won.
No, the beast. Okay, guys. We might make another video later tonight, but
Who knows?
not right now.
Definitely not one of these.
Like, subscribe. I would definitely recommend watch Quick Scoping with the Bros. That was a really good one. And get on our channel, watch all our videos, subscribe, and like. Thank y'all very much. Bye bye.